I'm not interested in harming any police officer.
I don't know that, do I?
All right, well then, what are we gonna? All right, how are we gonna proceed then? You're talking to me?
Yeah. Are you filming?
Anything. Who are you?
Sorry?
Who are you?
An officer that works here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can I see your warrant card?
Yeah, sure.
You okay? You look like you were just about to go home. I don't want to.
I was just about to shoot off.
Yeah, go. It's Friday afternoon, man. I don't want to keep you. Like,
alright, what are you filming, buddy?
just anything that I want to film.
Alright.
Is that okay, Sergeant?
It's alright. But it does draw a bit of interest in it, eh?
In it, eh?
Alright, chap. Okay, you've been spoken to before about filming out, yeah?
No, I've literally just got here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
First time?
First time.
Alright, I'll leave you alone, alright?
Thank you. So is he going to circulate it or what? Yeah, nah, see. Yeah, see, that wasn't enough. I think he's gonna go and make some inquiries, but yeah, we'll pick it back up. Looks like we've got company. I don't know if they're gonna come for me or not, but look at the size of this one.
Right from the first seconds, the auditor diffuses suspicion, a smart move. In the UK, filming in public is legal, but officers often open with emotional concerns. Watch how this small reassurance sets the tone for everything that follows. This is where viewers should pay attention. The officer immediately shows his warrant card, something many officers hesitate to do. Quick question for you. Should police always be required to show their ID on request? Let me know in the comments. And here it is. The classic backup arrives for a camera moment.
Just size of this guy on the right. Look at the size of this guy. Yeah, I'm alright.
Is it, buddy? Right?
Yeah.
We've just been asked to come down here to see what you've been doing.
Yeah, I haven't really.
Organisation with the selfie sticker.
Yeah. Are you recording?
I'm recording, mate. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Brilliant. So we're both recording.
Do you mind letting me know next time you start recording?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
The size of this guy.
Recording audio and visual. So I wonder what you're doing.
Yeah, the same.
Okay, I'm sure in the safety of the building.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Just filming.
Okay. If you could come up in a public area, that would be brilliant.
This is public.
More than entitled to. You get reports saying you've been going around the back.
No, I haven't. Definitely haven't been around the back. Well, if I have, then I'm not there now, am I?
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So if you don't go to a private area, it'll be absolutely fine. There'll be no problems. All right.
Okay. This isn't a private area.
Thank you.
That's not what we said. We said if there are, it's a number.
I'll stop recording now.
All right. No need for the attitude.
I'll stop recording.
Could you identify as well?
Okay.
Would you mind identifying? I can't hear you, mate. I will pick it back up.
That's what you're doing, sir?
Yeah, I'm making a video.
Of what?
The police building.
Okay, why are you filming people's cars when they're coming out of there then? Because they're personal cars, aren't they?
Yeah, because they're in public.
Well, they're not in public at the moment.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer.
All right.
You want to see my ID?
Yeah, I would really expect you to show it to me.
There you go. Detective Sergeant Jamie Wiseman.
DS, yeah.
Okay.
And any detective work to be getting on with, or?
Well, no, I'm due to be
more
going
worried
home now,
about. All right, then go home then.
No, I'm more worried about you filming people's private cars.
Notice the shift from one officer to multiple. When extra units appear for a perfectly lawful act, it's usually a sign the situation is about to escalate. This is a key legal moment. The officer claims the area might be private, but never actually states that it is. In UK law, ambiguity does not create restrictions. The location must be clearly marked or demonstrably private. Keep this in mind as their arguments get shakier. The officers now start focusing on feelings instead of facts. Quick thought. Should police discomfort?
Police officers get a bit jumpy about that.
Why?
Why? Because people don't like us.
Okay,
Some
well, I'm
people
not.
have
I'm
vengeance
not.
against police officers,
Well,
and
I
you're
don't-
filming our personal cars when we come out.
But I don't.
That makes me very jumpy.
Just to let you know as well, it's on body worn video as well, okay?
All right. Why are you? What are you jumpy about?
Well, my personal details going out on social media or something like that.
Like you're just what? You're just assuming that it's gonna go on social media. Do you know any of this? Like you're just assuming.
No, I'm
that.
asking you.
Okay. What do you want me to say? Like
Well, I want you to tell me what you're going to do with that information.
it's my own recreation. Whatever I please to do with it.
So what makes you want to do it then?
I'm not interested in anyone's private plates. Who can pull information from your reg?
So why are you filming the cars when they come out of there then?
Because this is what I'm choosing to do with my time today.
Yeah, but why are you doing that? Did you say
I
you're not
wanna film.
interested in people's private
No,
plates?
I'm not.
You're recording when they come out of there.
What can I do with someone's private plate? Only yourselves in the
I've got
DVLA
no
can
idea.
pull that info.
I've got no idea.
Okay, well rest assured I'm not
it makes
interested.
me feel very uncomfortable.
Alright, well Sergeant, rest assured I'm not interested in harming anyone or using your plate for any sort of
And also,
ulterior motives.
Being a police station, okay, this is a target of anyone for anything. And that makes me quite nervous that you're actually filming a police station.
Well, I can do it. I'm in public. I can film any police station I like. Do you think this is a valuable target for
Yeah, I do.
who?
I've got no idea.
Like who?
It's a police station.
It's a police station.
So what, has this police station been attacked before? Like why? Where's the basis for this argument coming from? Like,
It's not an argument.
okay, what's a fact? Is it?
I'm saying it's a fact either.
All right, well,
Observation.
I'm just like rest assured I'm not here for no trouble.
Same fella.
For to override public rights? Or does that set a dangerous precedent? Drop your answer. This is where most viewers split sides. Here's the tension peak. Despite repeated assurances, the officer still escalates to hypothetical dangers. Legally, this is shaky ground. Suspicion must be objective, not emotional. This clash between rights and feelings will define the rest of the encounter.
Have you been anywhere else today? No? You've been filming other police stations at all?
Is it your business?
Yeah, it is. I'm asking you now, yeah. Because if you're going around filming all the police stations, that
Yeah.
makes me feel very uneasy.
Right.
And
So what are you trying to
I think I need
do?
to investigate that.
Okay, what do you want to investigate?
Why you are filming Hampshire police stations? Is my conversation not clear? Are you not clear on what I'm saying?
I can film any police station, whether it's Hampshire, Surrey, any.
You're able
Any
to pass
county.
Your personal details.
No, I won't. No.
First name, surname, date of birth, anything like that, address.
Why? Have I committed an offence?
I'm not saying you have, I'm just asking the question if you're willing to provide police with that
You
information.
seem very on edge. Is there anything I can do to put you at ease?
I told you why I'm on edge. I've already
This is a camera, mate. I've
I've already
given you assurances that
Have
I'm
I
not here for any
explained to you
trouble.
why I'm on edge? Have I explained that? Is that not? Have you not registered that?
I don't even think you are on edge. There's three of you. I've got a camera. Like you guys are armed. Like why would you be on edge? Should I not be the one that's on
Because
edge?
it's when we're coming
Well, I
out
don't
in
know.
personal vehicles.
Yeah, but what can I possibly do with your personal vehicle?
tell me.
Then you should maybe consider taking the bus to work or something. I don't really
So why
understand.
should myself and my colleagues or our way of getting to work?
Because you're so concerned about
to
security arrangements and whatnot. So if it's such a security risk,
I tell you why. Because police officers get attacked on and off duty.
right?
That's what makes me nervous.
Okay.
And they do that because people share our private information and track us down to where we live with our families. That makes me nervous.
So has there been any cases of someone filming private plates and then going on to attack
I've got no
police
idea.
officers? Well, if you don't have any idea, then you can't be making those assumptions. Like.
Well, I can.
Well, no, you just said I have no idea. Like you're a detective,
I
mate.
work in this industry, in the security industry, and I know police officers have been followed home. I know police officers' vehicles have been targeted.
Okay, well, I'm telling
I
you
know that.
I'm not interested in harming any police
Yeah, but I
officer.
don't know that, do I?
All right, well then, what are we gonna? All right, how are we gonna proceed then?
The conversation now escalates to terrorism concerns. The applicable principle is this: suspicion must be based on objective facts. The sergeant suggests police stations could be terrorist targets, yet when pressed for evidence of filming-related attacks, he cannot provide any. The auditor makes a compelling point. Terrorists typically target civilian-dense locations, not fortified police buildings. Notice how the sergeant's argument relies on feelings rather than facts. The auditor has given clear assurances of peaceful intent, yet those assurances appear to fall on deaf ears. Something significant is building here.
Well, I'd like you to go if possible.
So is that gonna like? What does that achieve? Like, I'm not gonna go.
Well, it makes me feel better. I don't understand why you want to put me on this edge.
I'm not putting you. You're putting yourself. I don't even think you are on edge. I feel like you just want to come out and bark a few directives and stuff. Like,
Right, any directives.
I feel like you want to flex a bit of perceived jurisdiction that you've got.
Really,
Like,
I'm too old for that, really, if I'm honest.
all right, well then let's leave it at that. It's Friday afternoon. I've engaged. I've told you I'm not here for trouble. Like, I feel like
You haven't given a good reason for doing it.
I don't need a reason though. What I'm doing is lawful.
I'm not saying it's not lawful.
Okay, so why would I need a reason?
It's just like my colleague is explaining.
Do I have to account for my actions in a public place doing something legal? You can find it strange. It's not illegal if it's strange. Like, I don't have to say anything.
It's definitely suspicious behaviour around police stations in the current state of affairs around the world, isn't it?
What state of affairs?
When people are getting, Royal Police officers are getting injured, like my colleague said, on off duty. It just makes it's a bit concerning.
But on the basis of being filmed, like.
But it's like, we keep going around in circles now, don't we? But is there anything you need to report to us today?
No.
Is that the reason why you're here?
No.
No? Why are you here then?
To film.
Why to film?
Because this is what I want to do.
Filming? Do you not see from our point of view that it could be considered a bit of a security risk?
No.
Why? Okay.
Because I'm not trying to. I'm not doing it covertly. I'm doing it very overt, right in front of your face. I'm giving you ample opportunity to grab me, like prospective.
It may make other members of the public that see you doing this, and obviously police officers and police staff coming out of here, be on edge. Why is he filming me? Okay.
Because we're in public. You guys have got cameras everywhere. Like, you're filming.
And there's
like,
CCTV all the way around.
Of course there is, exactly. So what? I don't know why we've got such a front about
Do you not think
filming.
that the police station could be a security risk?
Is it not a secure building? Like,
that wasn't my question. Do you concede that people may want to target a police station?
No.
You don't concede
because
that?
it's not. I don't think it's a valuable target. I don't know what sort of people you're referring to. Okay, so how do we proceed?
I don't know. Do we have a power of search? Section 44? 43, is it? I think we can do that. I think we can do that.
Sure you want to do that?
Oh, yeah, I do.
I don't think you got grounds for a section 43 search.
Well, I'm telling you, I think I do. Okay, so.
No, well, it's not about thinking. This is objective. It's not an opinion, is it?
Look.
The legislation's black and white. It's not. I think.
You can have this conversation with the solicitor afterwards, and they can come after me at a later date. That's absolutely fine. Okay, that's your right.
So you're going to abuse my rights now, yeah?
Okay, no, I'm not. I'm going to use our powers.
Okay.
So what I'm saying, I find your behaviour very suspicious.
Okay.
You are filming not just this police station in Hampshire, but other police stations in Hampshire. You can give me no.
Listen to what you're saying, Hampshire.
There's no legal reason why you are doing that, other than because you want to.
Yeah, I don't need a reason.
So we can't even verify who you are or what you are doing it for. Therefore,
I'm not obliged to give
consider
details.
that to be quite a big terrorist risk. Okay, so you are now detained for this search.
Okay.
Okay, under what is it, section 43 of the Terrorism Act?
Can I leave this running?
Okay. Of course you can, absolutely. So these officers are going to search you now in order to see if there is anything that needs to raise that suspicion even further.
So what items? Who's conducting the search firstly?
These two are going to conduct the search.
But you've just launched with it. So what are these officers going to be searching for?
Anything related to terrorism?
Such as what? That's a bit abstract, isn't it? Any sort of specific items?
Not at the moment. That's what we are doing it for. To confirm who you are. That may help us.
So you're searching for my ID?
Well, no, and anything relating to terrorism. So if all of a sudden we find ID and that says actually this bloke's okay, there's nothing to worry about.
I am okay. I've told you I'm okay.
Yeah, I know you've told me, but I don't know that. Or it might say he's on a terrorist watch list, and then we've got something to worry about, haven't we? So
you're not going to find my info though.
Okay, that's fine. But they're going to search you for that purpose.
This power doesn't. I don't have to provide my information in this power.
No, I'm not asking to provide anything.
But you just said you're hoping to find ID, this and that, like.
Yeah, if they find it, we'll look at it. That's what's going to happen.
Can I get your collar number, please?
Yeah, 3358. Detective Sergeant Jamie Wiseman, Southampton Police Station, Hampshire.
It's abusing civil rights at the moment. Yeah, it's my perfect right to film it from public.
Yeah, of course you are.
Yeah. So why are you infringing on that?
I've told you that. You've not understood what I've said.
You know you can be sued in a civil court.
That's absolutely fine. You can go down that route. I haven't got a problem with that.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I'm not going to obstruct the search.
Okay, cool.
My colleague's going to do the search.
All right.
What's your first name? Are we able to see?
I'm not going to give you my name, my friend.
It's just so we can have better communication skills. That's all it is.
Can I keep this in my hand?
Give me a hand,
Big guy. I'm not going to.
So all I want to do is so that I can communicate with you, so I can tell you what I'm going to do.
All right. No, you crack on, mate.
So what's your name?
I'm not going to give my
first name. That's all I want.
Is this a search or is this trying to find my details? I don't really understand.
So you've already been told the grounds.
All right. Why don't you call me sir? How about that?
Okay, sir, you've already been told the grounds. So
Okay.
PC file from Southampton Central Police Station. The reason we're searching you is because you're acting suspicious outside a police
I
station.
thought he explained the grounds.
Yeah, no, we've got to go through something prior to doing the search.
Go wisely, yeah?
Okay, there you go. Yes,
Let my colleague explain it.
there we go.
Sure.
Okay, so that's obviously the grounds for the search. You can see my warrant card if you'd like to see my
No,
warrant
it's cool.
card. Okay.
Just get on with it.
Okay. So fast. The search is in order to essentially see if there is anything that you have on your possessions that is involved with terrorism, okay, or anything. Okay. Was that sorry? And you can have a copy of the search if you
Yes,
like
please.
a
Yes,
copy of
please.
the
Yes,
search.
please. Yes, please.
Okay.
You are detained for the purpose of.
And you're detained for the section 44. Okay. If you can step forward for me, just so I don't.
Steve ran away from your waist to the public search. In the meantime, maybe take your bag off your shoulders, please.
This ain't good, you know.
Hey?
Sergeant, this isn't good. Like, you should be like preserving people's rights. Like, you should be encouraging.
Sharp or anything like that?
No.
Sir?
You should be encouraging like this sort of citizen journalism and stuff. Like, you got to work with photographers and stuff like that to help identify criminals and that. Do you know what I mean? You wanna go put on a jacket or something?
I am a bit cold, but I'm alright.
So you weren't dealing with a terrorist, like.
Did you carry ID with you?
No.
Do you drive?
Yeah.
Drive. How did you arrive here today?
Don't know.
Train. It's been a Fareham today, haven't you? And then the station's just there, so possibly been travelling by
Just
train.
search your waistband.
Yeah.
I suspect.
Hand up for me, please. Should Ponto work?
Say again, sorry.
Should Ponto work for the search?
Yes, it does, mate. Yeah, it does.
Get you straight in your arm out for me. I'm just going to check that.
You local to Southampton? Local to Fareham? Local to here?
No.
No, where did you come from then?
I'm not gonna answer that.
I'm just going to check the front.
Travel nearby cars, that way you got
Yeah.
Mercedes keys on you?
Nice, up there.
And the bag as well, mate.
So what? Could you go over the grounds one more time?
I think he's already done it.
So what are the grounds? The fact that I'm filming and not giving my name.
It's been explained by the sergeant, it's been explained by my colleague as well.
Oh, what's these? This is the armed response unit, is it? Is it like the counter-terrorism unit? But I'm not being funny, genuinely. No, you don't
I
want to answer.
don't find this funny either.
No.
I find this...
What do you find it? Potential terrorist behaviour, is it? Is that what you find
At
it?
the end of the day, we're just exercising our powers where we feel they're right.
Yeah.
And we're dealing with what we see in front of us, alright?
Right. So you done with that? Like, do you want to keep? Why are you keeping hold of that?
Open and closing it. That's all I'm doing is open and closing.
Oh, can I have my property back?
No, not yet, we haven't finished the search. Still detained for this moment of time.
Yeah.
7-2.
Who are they? Is that the counter-terrorism unit?
Is it?
Is it? Yeah. No.
Counter-terrorism don't work here.
That's where you're right.
Can I get my stuff back, bro?
You're still detained for the purpose of search at the moment.
What about? Do you want to check that this isn't like a weapon or something?
Should we?
I don't know. Like, you need to do a comprehensive search. Like, don't leave any stone unturned.
Sorry, Charlie, ready around about you.
You know, if you keep abusing this legislation, like, you're going to lose it, you know. You were going to say section 44, like, that was repelled because you were just searching people without no ground. Not you, but officers were searching people with no grounds.
Decision's way above my pay grade, isn't it?
No, I know, of course, but like the European Court of Human Rights repelled that legislation for this reason. So like the more cases of this section 43 power being used and negative outcomes of searches and whatnot, eventually you're going to lose it.
Okay.
And I believe it's an important piece of legislation to actually catch real terrorists.
Yeah.
I'll be interested to know how many of these searches resulted in in convictions. I know you can't. I don't think there have been any. I'll be interested to know if any convictions have come as a result. Can you? I don't know why he's holding on to my property still.
Because you're still detained for a search at the moment.
Okay.
Uh, 24 to 36 for dark hair.
Were you expecting to find like an ISIS membership card or something like?
Tattoos or anything? Any tattoos? I was going to put this property.
Why does it matter?
Because I'm asking you to see if I can help. See if I can help myself.
Well, why am I going to help you, Lynn? I don't have to assist you. I don't have to assist you in an investigation, do I?
It's not an investigation.
Rice vs Connolly, 1966. I don't have to assist you. Okay, well, I'm just letting you know my position. Like,
No, 46 call down. Yeah.
Because you're filming, that's why.
yeah. Any interesting cases?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I have lots of interesting
Yeah.
cases.
Harassing photographers, that's just like a pastime.
Someone's harassing me.
Well, I'm nothing more than a photographer.
So you say? That's great.
So the outcome of the search was negative. So why am I still detained? If you've completed the search,
At the moment, we're trying to identify who you are.
I know, but you've just detained me for the purposes of a search, not to find out my identity. So now,
And at this
as
time,
I'm further detained, this is becoming more and more unlawful because now you're detaining me to find out my name. Like, that wasn't the object of the search, was it? So like, fine, this is your discretion, but Sergeant, any comment to make? Like, you've done the search, it's come back negative. I know, but you're the one that's launched with the power, so I feel like you're the one.
The officer said you was trying to find out your identity.
Yeah, but that wasn't the purpose of the search.
Okay,
Section 43 doesn't require me to give my
Is
details.
that what you're saying? Do you want to go?
Yes.
Go on then.
But can I have my stuff back?
Yeah.
His stuff's
Alright.
in the back. He's put it in the front.
Alright, well, I'm free to go. I'm free to go, yeah?
would you like to check us in there before you leave, just so you can ensure that you've got your property?
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
So I'm free to stay? Where did you put it, mate? In here.
That front over there.
Alright. Can I get a copy of the search slip, please?
Yeah, 2 seconds.
So I'm free to go, I'm free to stay as well.
We don't know who you are, do we? We can't write your details in there, can we? 'Cause you won't tell us what they are.
Employee, mate, you're doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, I know, mate. You don't need to write my name, just obviously explain the grounds for the search.
Where are you going to go now?
I'm not going anywhere.
You're interested?
No, I'm staying, I'll just stay here.
You ever been arrested before?
Don't worry, in due time, you'll find out everything you need to know.
Okay. I'll wait in due time and then I'll know who you are, won't I?
Alright, well, I can't go.
2020.
What do you define your own ethnicity? Sorry. I'm white and all.
That's our one.
Probably 6.
Go to the one where it's got
Are you new to this, are you?
like B1,
Not for this film, I am,
B1,
yeah.
B2.
There we go.
Are you new to this job, are you?
No, not particularly.
Well, make sure
I am
you
to this
don't
form.
that one.
What one was it? Sorry, just to make sure. A9.
Hey guys, you alright? Is he recording cars as they're coming out of there?
Yeah, it
Well, just take his phone off him and let's seize it. Evidence.
is. Evidence of what?
Hey?
Evidence
It's
of
a security
what?
breach, buddy, okay? I'm not having you see phone in my car.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Me.
whoa.